I just unboxed my new C-shaped table and here are all the parts and pieces that it came with. You can see everything is wrapped in clear plastic and each package is numbered as well. And here's the instructions on how to assemble it. The steps are numbered and accompanied by diagrams, so we'll just follow along to put this table together. Step 1 is to put together the pieces labeled 2 and 3, and by the way, all the leg parts and framing are made of metal, so it will be extremely sturdy once this thing is assembled. For the tabletop, we need to remove the 4 sleeves they placed in each corner. Step 2 is to screw the tabletop and framing together. All the screws are included, and in fact, they also threw in an Allen key, which makes things super convenient. Okay, so now on to step 3. According to the instructions, we need to join the brackets labeled 4, 5, and 6. So let's go ahead and find those pieces. Each piece that needs to be joined will then need to be screwed together with the screws they provide. For step 4, we're going to attach the wired baskets and paneling, which would be the items marked 7 and 8. The wired baskets and the wired panel at the base allows for extra storage, which is always a bonus. That way I can keep some of my papers and files close at hand. The last step is to screw in the knobs. These knobs can be adjusted depending on the height you want the table to be at. The height ranges from 21 inches to 33.4 inches to accommodate different comfort levels. And here's the table, which can be placed by a couch or chair. I chose not to install the casters, but it did include 4, which is great if you are placing your table on carpet. And check out the tabletop. The size is perfect for a laptop.